National Preparedness Month, the month of September, is designated so that we have an opportunity to highlight the need for our residents to be prepared for all hazards. During a catastrophic event, resources will be very thin, and the possibility that you may not get help right away is pretty significant. If you're not prepared, if you have not taken that personal responsibility to be prepared, you or your family could suffer. We are asking our residents and small businesses to develop plans in case we do have an emergency here in Fairfax County. And we have a website that we will direct you to that will help you to prepare that. www.readynova.org. It will provide guidance on how to develop that plan. If you have no idea what a plan should look like, it really does help you. And it includes communications, it includes making a kit, it includes how to communicate with us. Those are all important components of a plan. But communications with your family, secondary meeting spots, what needs to be part of that plan so that when an event occurs, you can get back in contact with your family, know that they're safe, know where to meet them. It's a great site, helps you develop those plans, gives you that guidance you need in case something bad happens here in Fairfax County.